Hi, it's Deirdre here from the Cool Food School and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple snack for the kids, or better yet, they can make it themselves. So we're going to use one apple, and we are going to use for protein and for gut health, we're going to use some lovely whole yogurt. That's a live yogurt, it's an Irish one. You can use a Greek yogurt. Just try and use a plain yogurt. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut our apple really thin. So we're making, actually I never told you what we're making. We're making apple nachos, okay? So a lovely snack activity for the kids. So we're going to cut the apple in really thin slices like that. So nice and thin. So a lovely thing that the kids can do. And I'm using a lovely safe knife here called the Kiddie Food Cutter. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so we're cutting our apple really nice. So the apple is supposed to resemble like the nacho chips, I suppose. So we're cutting them nice and thin. Use any kind of apple. And look, I've made this with kids before. They don't always get the slices nice and thin, but so what, it doesn't matter. They can just make it whatever the way they want. Okay, so I've got my apple chopped nice and thin. And we're going to pop them all on a plate and arrange them in a heap, kind of like you would nachos. Like so. Da, da, da. There we go. And then we're going to make a little sauce with that yogurt. So into this bowl, I'm going to put about, a tablespoon of that lovely yogurt. I'm going to add some vanilla essence, teaspoon of vanilla essence into it. So what I do when I'm teaching kids is I always encourage them to have a taste of the yogurt before we add anything to it, because then that helps them see how that when they add things to it that the flavor changes. I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. You can add other things to this as well, a bit of maple syrup. You could add some cocoa powder. Let your imagination run riot. Then we're going to give it a little mix. Kids will love doing this. And then that's all we're doing. This is so simple. I'm going to scatter that over the apples as if this was like the cheese sauce or whatever. Just like so. As much or as little as you want or they want. Then we're going to go to our toppings. So this is like the great cheese, I suppose. I am using some toasted pumpkin seeds here. Again, this is where you can go run riot with your imagination. You could use any kinds of nuts, raisins. I'm going to use some chocolate chips as well. You could melt the chocolate and use that as a drizzle instead. You can use berries, other fruit. But that's it. Simple. Simple, really simple snack. Packed full of protein from the yogurt. Tasty. The kids love making it. It's really easy. What more do you want? I'm going to taste it now. Yum.